Hi and welcome to Study MBA India. In this video, we are going to discuss the questions of CAT 2021 slot 2. So this is basically the question number 1. The question says the sum of perimeters of an equilateral triangle and a rectangle is 90 centimeter. The area T of the triangle and the area R of the rectangle both in square centimeter satisfy the relationship r is equals to t square. So that means what? The area of the rectangle is equal to square of the area of the triangle. If the sides of the rectangle are in the ratio of 1 is to 3, then the length in centimeter of the longer side of the triangle will be what? As we know that the length ratio of the length is given 1 is to 3 of the rectangle. So what we can say, let us say that L by B is nothing but 1 upon 3, which we can write x upon 3x. So now the longer side will be this 3 times of x, right? So the value will be must be multiple of 3. As you can see that all the options are multiple of 3. So we cannot eliminate the options and mark your answers, right? So we have to solve the questions. So the area of the rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So r is basically length into breadth, and if the length is x and the breadth is 3x, so we can say this is 3 times of x square. And for the equilateral triangle, if I say the equilateral triangle side is a, so the area of the equilateral triangle T will be equals to root 3 by 4 side square, which is a square. Now here it says that the perimeter of the equilateral triangle and triangle is 90 centimeters. So perimeter of the triangle, we know that the perimeter of the triangle is sum of all the sides here, which we can say that 3 times of a plus 2 times of the length plus breadth, and we know the length plus breadth is 3x plus x, which is 4x. So we can say this is 2 times of 4x is equal to 90, or we can say 3 times of a plus 8x is equals to 90. So we know that we have two equations. One is 3a plus 8x equals to 90, and the other one, the relation which satisfies that r is equals to t square and r is 3x square. So we can write 3x square is equals to t square, which is root 3 by 4 a square whole to the power 2. That we can write 3 times of x square is equals to 3a to the power 4 by 16. So if we cancel out 3, 3, what we can say is x is equal to a square by 4. So instead of x, we can put here a square by 4. So now if we put x as a square by 4, what we will get is 3 times of a plus 8 into x square, sorry, x, which is a square by 4, that is equals to 90. Or we can say that 4 twos is 8. So this is 2 times of a square plus 3a minus 90 is equals to 0. Now if you solve, what we will get is a is equals to 6 or a is equal to minus 15 by 2. But as we know that a cannot be negative because a is the side of the triangle, hence a will be 6. So now if a is equals to 6, what will be x that we have to calculate? So x will be equals to a square, which is 6 square by 4. 36 by 4 is 9. So the longer side is nothing but 3x. So the value of the longer side, that is 3 times of x, will be equals to how much? 3 into 9, which is 27 centimeter. So here the answer will be 27 centimeter, which is option B. I hope this is clear to you, but we can solve this question in another way also. And the another way is that from here we can see that 3 times of a plus 8 times of x is equal to 90. Can we write 3a plus 8x equals to 90 as a is equals to 30 minus 8 by 3 of x? From here we can say that it is possible, if a is an integer, so it is possible that x will be multiple of 3. So if x will be multiple of 3, what can be the possible values of x? That x can be either 3, x can be either 6, or x can be either 9. X cannot be 12. Why? Because at x equals to 12 we will get 30 minus 32 and a will be negative, which is not possible. So x can be 3, 6 and 9. So if you put x equals to 3, you will get 9, which is not in the option. If you put x equals to 6, 18, which is in the option, and x equals to 9, 27, which is also in the option. So that means what we can say, that 24 and 21 will not be the answer. So what can be the answer? Either 27 or 18. But we can cross check whether 6 or 9, which one will satisfy. So let us say if 6 satisfy, that means what? That here that must satisfy 3 into 6 square should be equals to root 3 by 4 into a square. A will be at x equals to 6. A will be what? A will be 8. 6 by 3 is 2. 8 2 is 16. 30 minus 16 will give you 14. So at a equal to 14 and x equals to 6, this condition will not satisfy. So we'll say that definitely the answer will be 9. Or if you check 9, that will satisfy. So again we can say the answer is 27. So if 6 satisfy, if you check 6 that not satisfy, in that case also we can say the answer will be definitely 27. Or if you check 9 and that satisfy, then also we can say that will be 27. If you check, in that case you do not have to solve this much, or you do not have to solve the quadratic equation. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much.